In people column, yeah, good morning everyone. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Arav Patel, sit properly. Good morning. In people column, we first revise the table of 12. In people column, my name is showing first, then Arav Patel, then Arna Agarwal. So I will start 12 ones are 12. Then Arav Patel will say 12 twos are 24. Then Arna Agarwal will say 12 threes are. This way we will continue the table of 12. Yes,
Ma'am,
12
this is
ones,
nice idea.
12 ones are 12. Arav Patel,
12 to 24.
Arna Agarwal,
Ma'am, 12 3s are 36.
Arya Razia.
12 was a 48.
Next child.
Ma'am, may I 12 5s are 60.
Name, you have to read your name from the chat box.
Ma'am, our
12
name will come first.
12 fives are
50. Ma'am,
12
can you send it one more time? Ma'am, you have
12.
to say the name. In ours, it is Ashwi.
Ashvi, 12 fives are
12 Ma'am, can
next
you
is
send the name
Anushka.
in chat box?
Next is Anushka, 12 six are
Ma'am, can I say?
My dear children, I'm calling your name. Then no can I say. Next is Anvi Kothari, 12 eights are
Ma'am, 12 8 are 73.
12 eights are 96. Aryaman Sangai, 12 nines are 12 nines are Aryaman Sangai, 108. My dear children, you will not speak in between. You have to wait for your turn.
Okay, ma'am.
Ayansh Jain, 12 tens are
120.
again we will revise from Ayush Singhania now. Ayush Singhania, 12 ones are
12.
Darisha, 12 twos are next. There,
12 2s are 24.
Dhyan Dalal.
Yes, ma'am.
After 12 twos are what you will say?
12 3s are
Tell the answer then.
36.
Ekansh. Ekansh. I will
Yes,
only
ma'am.
say one time your name. 12 fours
12
are
12 3
12 fours are
48.
next is after Ekansh. Farzan. 12 fives are
12 5s are 60.
next is after Farzan. Freya.
Yes, ma'am. 12 6 84.
12 six are
72.
next is Gunav. 12 sevens are
84.
Jahan Agarwal. 12 eights are
96.
Jishna Swami. Next 12 nines are
108.
next is Kahan Jain. 12 tens are
Ma'am, can you send the names one more time?
my dear Vivan, I am telling. Please now listen. Next is after Kahan, Karnav again. Karnav, 12 ones are
12.
Khevna, 12 twos are
24.
Khush Ahujwa, 12 threes are
36.
Khush Kapadia, 12 fours are
40.
wait, 48. Then Khush Ahuja, Laksh Thakral, 12 fives are
60.
very good. Next after Laksh Thakral, Lamha,
Yes,
12,
ma'am. Ma'am,
12 six are
72.
Man Rajodia. 12 sevens are
84.
Meet. 12 eights are
12 8 are 96.
Migdat. 12 nines are
108.
next is Nick. 12 tens are
Ma'am, 120.
next Nishika Choksi's 12 ones are
Yes, ma'am.
12 ones are
12.
Parinika 12 twos are
Ma'am, 12 2 are 24.
Prisha 12 threes are
Ma'am, what 12 threes are? 12 threes are 36.
Rahil next
12 fours are 48.
Riddhi next Riddhi next Ridhan next. Children, I will move if you not listen. 12 fives
Yes,
are
ma'am. What?
12 fives are
12 fives are 60.
Riva Kataria 12
12
six
6 is
are
72.
very good. She is active in class. Rudra Jajaria next.
84.
Rudra Mangokia next.
12 8 are 96.
Samriddhi next.
Twelve nines are 108.
Sia next.
12 nines are
12 nines are
108.
she has already told. 12 tens
12
are
tens are 120.
Dhruv Patel.
12 ones are 12.
Next Visha Chandrana.
12 twos are 24.
Vedi Salia. Okay, Vansh Balchandani. Vedi, you learn table of 12 and come tomorrow. Ved
Ma'am,
next
12 threes are 36.
Vihan Patel.
12 fours are 48.
Vivan Balchandani.
Ma'am, 60.
Next
12
is
are 60. 12 are 60.
Vivan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Vivan Patel, you have to listen what the children are saying and say the answer.
Ma'am, 12.
I will move to the next child. Learn table of 12 and come tomorrow.
Ma'am, but
Next.
which number I know the table of 12?
You pay attention. The child has finished
Ma'am,
at 12.
because ma'am, I have a network issue. Sometimes I can't hear you.
12 6 are
12 6 are 72.
next after Vivan Patel, Yash Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
84.
Next Yug Baria.
96.
Good. So this way we have revised the table of 12. Now come tomorrow, learn table of 13 also, and we will ask the table of 12 also tomorrow. Okay. Now I am going to start the revision of addition.
Can I show you my tables? Can I show you my
Yes,
tables?
Ayansh, please show me. Children, see, Ayansh has written table from 2 to 20. All. Yes, Ayansh? Am I right? Yes, children, you can pin Ayansh.
13.
You can pin Ayansh and see that he has written till 13. He has written all the tables. Very good, Ayansh. Excellent.
Thank you, Anne.
Now come write the topic addition in your notebooks. Before going to the addition, first of all, we should know कि जो addition में जो numbers होते हैं उन terms को हम क्या कहते हैं, right?
Ma'am, in division book na?
Yes. Yes. For example, 6, 1, 3, 3, दो numbers. This is the group of numbers. 2, 1, 9, 2. ये एक group of number है. If I say you to add them, so first of all, you should know what these terms are called. इनको हम कहते क्या हैं? The numbers to be added are called addends. Addend 1, इनको addend कहते हैं, addend 1 and addend 2.
We have to write this.
Yes. Addend 1 and addend 2, ये दोनों addends हैं. And the answer which will come after adding these numbers is called sum. 3 plus 2, we ones, tens, 100, 1,000. We start from the ones place when we add. We will not start from the left hand side. We start from the right hand side, the ones column. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 9 is 12. So 2 will come here, 1 will come here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So the answer which is
8,325.
so the answer is called sum. हमेशा एडिशन के आंसर को सम कहते हैं. सम का मतलब होता है टोटल. इसको टोटल भी you can say. But always remember this is called sum. This is called addend. Addend 1 and addend 2. Write down. Yes, write down please.
May your board is little bit blur.
It will come and within 1 or 2 seconds it will come clearly. So have some patience. Done, my dear children?
No, ma'am.
Write down fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will do the properties of addition. Just remember these numbers. These numbers which we are adding in the addition are called addends, and the answer in the addition is called sum. Next is properties of addition. Properties of addition, there is one property which is called zero property.
Ma'am, we have to write the properties.
Yes. Write the zero property. Adding 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. Adding 0 to a number, the gives the number itself.
Ma'am,
As
this is
the-
adding 0 to the number. What's
I will-
one written, ma'am?
I will repeat. Have some patience. Adding, Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am, when you pin my screen, will you able to see my board clearly? Yeah. So now children, maybe network issue from your side also. Now I am reading it. You write along with me. Zero property says adding 0 to a number.
It is not blur, it is very clear.
Thank you, ma'am.
If you will pin you, it is clear.
Adding 0 to a number gives the number itself as the answer. Means this property says अगर किसी भी number के अंदर, for example, the number is कितना भी बड़ा number हो, whether it is a 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 2-digit number, any big number or any small number, when you add 0 to that number, what the answer will come? Write in the chat box what will be the answer. For example, if I take 7, 3, 2, 1 and I add 0 to this number, what the answer it will come? Itself. So you will not write itself. Suppose if it is coming in the fill in the blank, don't write itself. Write that number. 7, 3, 2, 1. Many of the times I have noted the children are writing that itself. But if it is coming in the MCQs or sometimes different, when the number is not there, then you write number itself. Okay. But when you are adding the number with the 0, then write the that number is the answer. Am I clear? Next property is
Don't
one.
repeat.
Next property is one property of 1. One property says that if you add 1 to any number, adding 1 to number gives what it will give, my dear children. For example,
A successor.
very good, very good. Successor आएगा. Adding 1 to a number gives successor of the number as the answer. अगर आपको fill in the blank में है तो you write the word successor, क्योंकि अभी तक आपके पास नंबर नहीं है. You will get the successor. But in case if it will come in this type of fill in the blanks when number is there, for example 3, 5, 2, 8, 1 plus 1. So you will get the answer 3, 5, 2, 8, 2, the successor of this number, because you are adding 1 to this number. So always these terms also remember, these terms, number itself, successor. Next is order property.
No, ma'am. I'm writing.
Can the one property line?
Be fast.
Properties line.
Yeah, I will come. Next is order property. Order property says when the numbers are given in the group, for example, 2 or 3 numbers are given to add you. For example, मैं बोलूं, we start with a single digit number 3 plus 4 plus 5. अगर आपको नंबर ऐसे ग्रुप में है, if you change the order of these numbers, आप 5 पहले लिखो या 4 पहले लिखो, 3 पहले लिखो, आंसर आपका सेम ही आएगा. Order property says if you change the order of the numbers, then also the answer will be same. अगर आप पहले इन दो को add करोगे, then you add 3 in this, then also the answer is same. If you add 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12, then also the answer will be same. So order property says in the addition, if you change the order of the numbers, the answer will be same.
But ma'am, when we do 5 plus 4, then it will be 9.
My
Not
dear,
7.
final answer I am asking. There are group of numbers given to you, 3, 5, and 8. For example, if you change the order of these numbers, 8, 3, 5, tell the answer in both the cases.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
In both the cases, answer is 16. Whether
Yes,
I change the order also, then also the answer is same. So order property ये कहती है कि whenever if you change the order of the numbers, आप बड़ा ऊपर लिख लो, छोटा नीचे लिख लो, then also the answer will come same in the addition. So the line is for this. Two numbers when added in order give the same answer. Two numbers when added in any order, किसी भी order में number को add करो, क्या बड़ा पहले लिखो, छोटा पहले लिखो, answer same ही आता है addition में. Gives the same answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sayush?
ma'am,
Your voice is breaking. Ayush, write in the chat box.
we have
You can write 3 numbers also. This is the example I have given. If 2 numbers are given.
I can also write 2 or more.
2 or more numbers, yes.
Ma'am, can you shift the board like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Because the whole board is not visible.
Now visible.
Little bit.
My dear, if I will move now it further, it will fall down.
Okay, ma'am.
So I am going to erase the second property, which is one property. Now last property is grouping property. Last property is grouping property. Be little fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Be little fast. Last property is grouping property. Grouping property says if there are 3, 4 numbers are given in the groups, then also if you change their order, this was related to 2 numbers. But just now I explained, I have given one example with the grouping property also, that if you have many numbers to add, तब भी आप उनका order change कर देते हैं, then also the answer will be same. अभी example देके मैं explain करती हूँ. Fourth property is the last property, that is grouping property. ये properties आपको fill in the blanks और MCQs देने के लिए it's very very helpful to give the answers when answers comes in the MCQs or it comes in the very short answers. So grouping property is, for example, 3 numbers. Here 2 numbers था ना order property में. Now it is 3 or more numbers. 3 numbers added in any order. Give the same answer. Give the same answer. For example,
Ma'am, what is written after order?
any order, give the same answer. For example, if it is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, first group is this plus 2, 5, 8, 3, 6. This is the next number. And plus 3, 1, 2, 5, 9. Okay. So अगर आप पहले इन दो को add करोगे, these two को add करोगे, whatever the answer will come, and then you add this, then also your answer will be same. Or if you add these two और फिर इसको add करोगे, then also your answer will be same. For example, I'll give you the example of small numbers. 8 plus 9 plus 3. अगर ये numbers है, you need to add them. So if you add these two, 8 plus 9 is 17, और फिर आप 3 को add करोगे, then also the 20. If you add these two first, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 8, then also the answer is 20. Okay. ग्रुपिंग में पहले आप कोई सा भी एक ग्रुप ले लो, उसको ऐड कर दो एंड द रिमेनिंग को ऐड करो, देन आल्सो द आंसर विल बी सेम. या आप तीनों को साथ में ऐड करोगे, देन आल्सो योर आंसर विल बी सेम.
And ma'am, there can be instead of 8 plus 9 or 9 plus 3, it can be 8 plus 3. The answer will be same too.
It can be any number. Just I have given you the example. Okay. Please write down fast. Then I'll do some fill in the blanks.
Well done.
Fill in the blanks based on these properties. I'm going to erase this one. Only example you can write by your own also. Okay. Fill in the blanks or fill in the boxes, what you say. FB I'm writing.
Questions.
Hmm?
We have to write questions.
No,
We have to write fill in the blanks.
No, give the answers right now in the class.
Okay.
Fill in the blanks. 25817.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No.
Ma'am,
No, give the answers only now. Pay attention here. These fill in the blanks are based on the properties which we have already discussed. 25817 plus 12352 equals to what will come here? 25817 equals to means जो equal to के बाद वाला side है और equals to से पहले both the sides should be same. Now you can see.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1.
Do you want to say that teacher should say bye bye to you all? My dear children, we have a chat box facility. Write the answer in the chat box. Because those children, those who have not understood, please try to them, wait for them to understand. If equal to sign is there, so before equal to sign and after equal to sign, both the sides should be same. If 25817 is already here, what is missing here? 1, 2, 3, 5, 2 is missing here from these two numbers. Good. Next is, children, I'm going to give you the Google form worksheet today based on the same which we are discussing today. Next
Ma'am,
is,
yesterday also you gave no Google Form worksheet.
yes,
Revision 1.
yes, plus 1. So what will be, write in the chat box. 752810 plus 1. What will be the answer? Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am,
I can see, but please have some control on your microphone. And please, when you are writing the answer, put the commas also according to the Indian system, which we have already learned. This will be the answer, the successor of this number. If the C 0 plus dash equals to 1828111, what will be the answer? What will come here in the dash?
Ma'am, the answer itself.
Vivan, I will not accept your answer. Sorry. If you not follow the classroom rules, sorry then. Lakshya, if you're writing 0 wrong. Dhyan Dalal, if you are writing half answer wrong. Yes, Rudra, please go. Sia, please put comma according to Indian system. So same answer will come here 128111 because 0 is added. The answer will be same. It is not 0. Next is 76493 प्लस व्हाट क्या ऐड करें कि इक्वल टू के बाद भी आंसर 764493 ही आए.
0.
I will not accept those who are turning on their mics. Sorry. I will only accept the answers of the children, those who are writing in the chat box. Good student, those who are writing in the chat box. They are following the rules. 0. I'm going to erase this because I need to write the big question. Next is 251071 plus 31271 plus 12,000 in this one group equals to what will come plus 31271 plus 12,000. What is missing in this dash? Write in the chat box. इक्वल्स टू से पहले वाले साइड को देखो, इक्वल्स टू के बाद वाले साइड को देखो, दोनों में से देखो मिसिंग क्या है, then that will be the answer. I am asking next now. Stop writing 0. Please go to the next now. Go to the next sum. I am expecting the next answer from you all. Please go to the next. Should I give the answer for this one? You children are not giving. You still writing 0.
I gave before.
I also give.
But still many of you are writing 0.
First.
Here this number
Ma'am, I
is
give
missing. This number is missing. It will come here 251071. Put comma according to the Indian system. Go to the next now. Wait a minute, I'll present some MCQs to you and then we will give the answers and I'll ask the student who will give the answer.
Then we have to write this.
No.
Ma'am, we have to write this which you
No.
are presenting.
What does addition means? No, listen only. What does addition means? Keeping things separate, putting things together, or none of the above?
None of the above.
Why?
Ma'am, B.
Putting together.
Putting things together.
Yes.
Putting things together.
Addition is
things
putting things
together.
together. Next is the number which are to be added are called what? Addend, minute, or none of the above?
Addend.
That you will say names of the children that only will give the
Yes. I will call the child name. Now listen, no one will give the answer. Take the correct statement. Ayush Singhania. Which statement is right? 4, 10, 7, 1 is 47. 9, 10, 2 ones is 11. Or 5, 10, 0 ones is 5. Which is right?
Ma'am, the A1 is right.
Okay, good. Are you all agree with Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I asked Jen, in order property, we can write 69 plus 42 as, how we will write 69, 42 as? If we change the order, it will be 64, 92 or 42, 69 or 62, 49.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, B.
B, 42 plus 69, because digit should be the same, na? Digit to wahi rahenge, digits to change nahi hogi.
Ma'am.
Only order change hoga. Good. So answer is B. Go to the next one. The sign of the addition is A, B, and C.
C, ma'am. C plus.
If we change the order of the numbers while adding the sum or the total.
Ma'am, B.
Wait a minute. Let me explain you.
Does not change.
C.
Children, I will not.
A.
You all will say, I will quit. I will stop the class now. Arna Agarwal. Now listen my question carefully, Arna, then I will ask from you. If we change the order of the numbers while adding the sum or total, भी change होगा अगर हम order change कर देंगे कि none of the above कि does not change. Arna Agarwal. I'm asking, have you read this question? Arna, why you are so slow?
Ma'am, she was telling and her network gone.
Okay. Now Samriddhi, you give.
Ma'am, it will change.
It will? Samriddhi, the answer will be A, B or C? A, it will change. If you change the order of the numbers, the answer will change.
No. Does not change.
Does not change. If you change the order 7 plus 9 or 9 plus 7, answer will not change. The sum, the total will not change. So it does not change. Listen everyone, let me explain this now. Order property is the property of addition, subtraction, or none of the above. Children, order property is the property of
Addition.
Ma'am.
Yes, who is saying ma'am? Who is saying ma'am? Yes. Who is saying ma'am? Please speak.
Ma'am, Arna was saying.
Now mute your mic, please, Vedi. Mute your mic. If we add 51 plus 16, the number at ones place of the sum or total will be. अगर हम 51 और 16 को ऐड करते हैं तो वंस प्लेस पे जो नंबर आएगा वो क्या होगा? 5, 7 और 6?
7.
7 होगा B.
7.
Ma'am, B.
How? Means वंस प्लेस पे क्या है? 1 है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे 6 है, तो टोटल क्या होगा वंस प्लेस का? 7.
7.
10. If 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, the result is
Remain same.
Remain the same.
Remains the same.
Both
And
A
yeah.
and B.
both
Remains
A
the
and
same.
B. Both A and B answer change भी नहीं होगा और will remain the same. So both A and B is the answer of this.
Yes, ma'am. I told both NB only.
When we have more than 9 ones, we regroup the ones. जब 9 से ज्यादा होता है तब क्या करते हैं हम? Regroup करते हैं, right? जब 9 तो हम कैरी ओवर करके क्या करते हैं? What will be the answer of this?
110.
Ma'am,
It will be both.
ma'am, both A and B.
Both A and B.
Both
Have you
A and B.
understand? Yes.
A and B. Ma'am, your presentation is stuck. Yes.
Totally stuck.
Wait a minute.
Not done.
Now it's perfect.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer will be 81.
46 plus 5 is 81.
81.
81.
Go to the next. If we add numbers, so sum आपको total निकालना है. Now 1100 plus 7070 plus 0. What will come next?
Ma'am. Ma'am, 8170. Yes, ma'am. 8170.
8170.
8170.
5528 plus 3211. What will come here? Plus after क्या आना चाहिए? क्योंकि here is 8739. So what should come?
Zero.
Let me check. See what will be the answer now. You need to solve. You need to find the addition of this. So answer is 0. Nothing will be added here then. Add all these numbers and find the answer.
4. Ma'am, 9333.
93.
Ma'am, 9333.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute, my dear.
Ma'am, A.
When we add 1 to a number, we get the dash of the number.
Successor. A. Successor.
If we add,
Successor, ma'am. Successor.
these are the addition sums. Please, Vivan.
Successor.
Vivan.
Ma'am, Prisha.
Prisha. Who is this singing in my class?
Ma'am, Prisha. Ma'am, Prisha leaves the.
Okay. I stop now. You have any other class after my class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Music.
Okay. So with the addition, you all are clear. Word problems में भी आपको terms देखने हैं. Total word है, sum word है, all together है. In that case, you need to add. Same subtraction. Same in the subtraction also आपको subtraction करनी है. Minus subtraction property. Subtraction में जो bigger number होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Subtraction में the bigger number is called minute. The bigger number is called जैसे 9, 6, 7, 0 और उसमें से subtract करना है मेरे को 7, 4, 8, 9 को subtract करना है. तो जो bigger number है जिसमें से हमको जो number subtract करना है is called minute. M-I-N-U-E-N-D, minute. And जो number smaller है वो is called subtrahend. And the answer always in the subtraction is called difference.
Difference.
ठीक है, तो ये terms आपको याद रखने हैं subtraction में भी.
Bye, ma'am.
No, who is saying bye, Vivan?
Not Vivan.
It's Vivan Patel only. I know his voice. So subtraction also you need to do in this way, and I will send you the worksheet and sums based on addition and subtraction both. See, one example, I want to do one practice of one example. Wait a minute, and then we can leave. If I say, find the sum of the largest 6-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. अब आपको यहाँ पे digits नहीं है. For example, if I say find the sum. Find the sum. Sum you means you need to find the total of largest 6-digit number.
Then we have to write this.
No, understand this first. Find the sum of largest 6-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. And smallest 5-digit number. अगर ये है पर इसमें आपके पास numbers नहीं है, so you need to write the first largest 6-digit number, 6 times 9.
9.
And the smallest 5-digit number,
1 lakh.
then you need to find the sum, means total of these. Understood? आपने largest 6-digit number लिखा, smallest 5-digit number लिखा और उनका sum निकाल दिया, उनको total कर दिया. Understood this way?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Subtraction में word problems में आपके पास words आएंगे left, remain, okay, how many remaining. So this way you need to find the language of the word problems and try to solve them. I am going to send you the Google form based on the word problems of, all sums and word problem based on addition and subtraction both. Try to submit it and do it today.
Ma'am,
Thank
today?
you. Yes, thank you children for today's class.
Bye bye.